Welcome back to Used European Cars Review. Today in our show we got ourselves the legendary Volkswagen Passat 1.9 TDI, or as some of you may know it, the immortal Village Ferrari. Let's talk about the engine. The 1.9 TDI, Red DI, or the Holy Grail. The 1.9 TDI engine is basically the Nokia 3310 of the automotive world. You can feed it leftover frying oil, tears of disappointment, or actual diesel, and it will still start in minus 30 degrees Celsius while making a sound like a bag of hammers in a washing machine. Few battle scars on front bumper and glorious steel wheels. Oh, the fuel cap was not fully closed. Such a smooth and silky surface. Small amortization check. Yep, still works. The interior, it is like 50 shades of gray, but not that 50 shades you all thinking about. This one is the real deal, but sadly without velour. Step inside, and you are greeted by the peak of German ergonomics from the turn of the millennium. Soft touch plastics which, by now, have turned into a sticky substance that resembles industrial grade honey. Everything you touch stays with you. The dashboard lights up in a radioactive blue and red that makes you feel like you're piloting a low-budget submarine. Spacious trunk with dedicated first aid compartment. And a factory first aid kit, I suppose. Some condensation water on fire extinguisher. Rubber on a radio antenna definitely seen a better days. Magnificent factory wheel caps.
So, now let's look what's in the back. We see the same problem with door panels, glorious manual windows, And that's it about luxurious. And it has foldable rear seats, but they doesn't work. Okay, now let's try to drive this engineering masterpiece.
If you want to know about fuel economy, it doesn't consume fuel. It merely samples it. You can drive from Vilnius to Berlin with a full trunk of potatoes on a single tank, and you'll still have enough fuel left to idle at a construction site for 3 hours. When you cold start it in the morning, your neighbors won't need an alarm clock.
This car is very safe.
Very, very safe.
Volkswagen decided that 2 control arms in the front suspension were too simple, so they gave the Passat 8. It's like a complex spiderweb made of aluminum. Hit one pothole, and the front end starts chirping like a depressed cricket.
Almost no sounds from suspension.
Oh, by the way, now we are driving through cemetery.
Everything absolutely fine. Sound insulation very good. You drive and feel like luxurious, I don't know, Maybach or Bentley. Pretty the same. Yeah. Every part of this car makes noises.
If you live in Eastern Europe and you don't know someone who owns this car, you are probably living in a witness protection program. The 2000 Passat B5 is not just a car. This 26 years old German engineering masterpiece. It's a family member, a financial strategy, and a religion, all rolled into one vibrating, diesel clattering package. Owning a 2000 Passat is a journey of personal growth. Final verdict. The 2000 VW Passat 1.9 TDI is the ultimate. I've given up on status, but I've won at life car. It is reliable, spacious, and about as sexy as a pair of rubber boots, but just as practical. If you buy one today, your grandchildren will likely be learning to drive in it. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Hope you liked how I and my friends made this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.